Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So CHADR code.dial is missing, not founding. So how to solve the issue? So first solutions guys, re-enable, re-register the CHAKRA core.dial, Chakracore.dll. Okay. So first options, right click to type CMD command from and right click to run as administrator. Then yes. Then guys type REGSVR32 space CHAKRA dot dial file. Only dial. Then enter. Okay, then close it. Next solutions guys, uninstall problematic app. So click to start, then click setting, then app, install app. So guys, firstly check unwanted apps to uninstall from your system. Okay, this is not required, like news is not required. This is also not required if you need to know, so it's okay. Weather is not required. So like unwanted app to uninstall. Next solutions guys, scan malware. Open Windows security, otherwise you can search from here Windows security. This is Windows security to open. Okay, click to virus and threat protections. This is home page, virus and threat protection. Then scan options, slow down, select this one. This is minimum about take to 15 minutes and fully install your system. Then click to scan right now. Okay, next solution, do not restart. Okay. Next solution, then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator. So you're giving full permissions. Okay. Then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you a link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay. First command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.